Going to review for the test prime factorization, greatest common factor, and least common multiple. We're going to start with prime factorization. The first number is 24. Pick two numbers that multiply to give you 24. I'm going to use 2 times 12. 2 is already prime, so you just bring it down, and then we break up 12 to 2 times 6. Both 2's are prime. Bring down, break up to 6 into 2 times 3. All 4 of these numbers are now prime, so we write them in exponential form. We have 3 2's, so it's 2 to the third times 3. Our next number is 32. I'm going to use 4 times 8. Now 4 breaks up into 2 times 2, and 8 breaks into 2 times 4. These 3 2's are prime, so we just bring them down. But this one is not, so we break it into another one, 2 times 2. We now have 5 2's, and they're all prime, so we write it in exponential form, 2 to the 5th. Alright, moving on to greatest common factor. The key word here we need to remember is common. We take the factors they have in common. And remember, it's a paradox, so it says greatest, but we take the least amount. So we have 2's in common right here, so we put a 2, and the least amount is the third power. So we put 2 to the third, and that equals 8. Now we do least common multiple. We would need to remember the word all here, and we take all the factors they have. So we have 2 times 3, and it's the least, but it's paradox, so it's the greatest, so we have 5 right here. So we have 2 to the 5th times 3 only to the 1st, because that's the only 3 we have, and then we solve it. We know 2 to the 5th equals 32, and times 3, 32 times 3 equals 96.